You're watching TV9 Digital. I am Adarsh Vepachedu. India is a massive country with all kinds of terrain and areas that are hard to reach. Given the conditions, ensuring the COVID 19 vaccine reaches each and every corner of India is a challenge in itself. Rising up to this very challenge will be the birds of steel belonging to the Indian Air Force and Air India that would be used extensively to deliver the two approved vaccines, Covaxin and Covishield, across the country. While the major part of transportation and delivery of vaccines would be carried out by commercial airliners, when it comes to taking the vaccines to remote areas, transport aircraft of the Air Force, including the C-130Js and AN-32s, are planned to be used. Government officials say arrangements are being made by the suppliers to provide the vaccines in specialized containers that will keep the vaccines refrigerated safely for 24 hours during transportation and delivery to the local administration officials. Now, the Indian Air Force and Air India would be working in tandem in that the Air Force will be providing all required facilities to commercial airliners at military airfields where commercial aircraft do not usually operate. Transport aircraft of the Indian Air Force like C-130Js and AN-32s will be used to transport vaccines to remote airfields and advanced landing grounds in states like Arunachal Pradesh and Union Territory of Ladakh. But there are more remote locations where no kind of aircraft can land. To deliver vaccines to such areas, the Air Force has plans of using helicopters. More technicalities of vaccine transportation are being finalized even at this point in time. In fact, Air India will be ferrying the first batch of COVID-19 vaccine to Delhi from Pune. Air India flight AI-850 will deliver the vaccine in Delhi at around 9 p.m. this evening. However, there is no clarity regarding the number of vaccines that will be delivered on this first flight. Air India flights may be used to transport vaccines across the country for the first phase of vaccination, which aims to vaccinate as many as 1 crore health workers, 2 crore frontline and essential workers, and 27 crore elderly, mostly above the age of 50 years with comorbidities. Last week, the Drugs Control General of India announced restricted emergency use for Bharat Biotech's Covaxin and Serum Institute of India's Covishield, which has been developed by AstraZeneca and Oxford University. And now you know how these vaccines will be supplied to every nook and corner of the country. Do let us know in the comment section below as to how you feel the entire exercise will be carried out, how important the role of Air Force jets and Air India aircraft will be, and how crucial will this entire exercise will really be as we go forward. If you like the information that we've shared with you, do not forget to like and share this video, and yes, make sure you subscribe to TV9 News on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Many thanks for joining us. Until next time.